And we're back. It's Chef Shannon here again. Of course, I had to do a Jewish apple cake recipe. This one was submitted by Gladys Green. Thank you for that. So we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna grease and flour a tube pan, and some people call it a bundt pan. It's already greased and floured. We're gonna peel and cut apples and chunk them into sizes of a thimble. These apples are already cut and peeled by my great chef manager. So we're gonna dump that into a bowl. Of course, this bowl is not big enough, but we'll make it work. To those apples, you are going to add 5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And I'm just going to mix all that together. Just get that in there. I'm going to nicely coat all the apples. The apple that you put in a Jewish apple cake is so important. I know that everybody has their own recipes, their own way. Miss Gladys specifically told me to use Granny Smith apple, so that's what we have here. Alright, pretty much mixed in there. I'm going to rinse my hand off. And then we're going to get to the caking. So I have a nice bowl here. All my ingredients are measured out. I have 3 cups of flour, 4 eggs, 1, two, don't want that in there. And even professionals make mistakes. 3 and 4. We have 2 cups of sugar right into the bowl. 1 cup of oil.